Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem codes in My Talking Tom 2. To redeem codes in My Talking Tom 2, first of all, open the game on your device and then go ahead and tap on the purple icon at the top left. In the expanded menu, scroll down until you see Enter Promo Code option and tap on it. Now, enter your promo code into the provided field and tap on OK. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to redeem codes in My Talking Tom 2. After successfully entering your promo code, your rewards will be added to your account instantly. If the code doesn't work, make sure to double check for any typos or expiration dates. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more tutorials like this. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.